Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. This video is about the release of our 2023 WP Linkage Shock bladder kits. We have finished the development and testing, and we have finished our production volume run of these parts. So we are now looking at the 2023 JBI suspension bladder kit production parts. We already have installed one bladder kit to this shock above to verify fitment of everything, and everything goes absolutely perfect. A few small revisions were made to this bladder cylinder from that first small 10 batch sample run of bladder kits that we had made. And with those small revisions we made, we can now say every little detail, fit and finish on this bladder kit is spot on. I'm really pleased how well the development process and testing went. We started on these back in December 2022. And now we are just releasing them here September 5th. So we definitely took our time, and we're almost probably last to market on releasing this bladder kit for these new 23 WP linkage shocks. But I really was in no rush, because I really wanted to take our time and make sure we got every little detail right. I love the volume of oil that sits inside our bladder kit. So that'd be the oil that goes on the backside. And I'm also really pleased about the volume of nitrogen and surface area that we have inside of our bladder. This is a custom bladder that I designed and had made. We're not using an existing Honda CRF bladder like we did on the previous generation WP shock. That bladder worked great for those shocks, but it is not ideal for these shocks. So that's why we went ahead and made our own bladders. So here I spaced out kind of the components of the bladder kit that make it up right next to an installed bladder kit. So you can kind of see how it all goes together. So these will soon be available on ridejbi.com. Oh, looks like the cylinder rolled away a little bit. But I'll be making that web page tonight, or let's say the product page on ridejbi.com. And I'll have a bunch of pictures and images and, sorry, that's redundant, pictures and videos and in-depth product information on our 2023 WP Linkage Shock bladder kits. These are going to sell for $150 USD. We ship worldwide as well. So for any people outside of the US, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to help you with the purchase. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.